What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing this beautiful curly hair. This is just such a banger, so make sure you guys stay tuned to this video and check it out. Alright, you guys, so this is a wig from Asteria hair. As you guys know, Asteria hair is one of my favorites. This is what comes inside of the bag. We have a wig cap as well as an edge brush. We have some elastic that you can actually put on the inside of the wig. We have some eyelashes and an elastic band as well. This is what the wig looks like, you guys. As you guys can see, it is so nice and full. There are 4 combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps. Okay, and this is HD lace 5x5. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kdotcouture, and today I am bringing to you a review from Asteria hair. Like I said, this is what the wig is looking like, all nice and washed. You guys, Asteria hair really has the bangers, in my opinion. Every wig that they've ever sent me, even wigs that I've bought from them, so banging. Like, they're so freaking good. This is HD lace. I did already kind of like style the front a little bit, but I'm not even going to be putting glue on this or anything. I'm just wearing this as a straight glueless. So I'm just adjusting these straps really fast, and then I'm just going to put this thing on. I didn't do a voiceover because I'm not going to be fast forwarding anything, because this is like the easiest install, the easiest. It's so like bro, how much easier can it get? Like, honestly, this is so freaking cute. Like, it's nice and long. Like, look, come on, what? Okay, so like I said, this is HD lace. As you guys can see, there's not even any glue, and you literally cannot spot that lace. Like, it's not even glued. There's no lace. So yeah, this is the HD lace. This is 26. It's either 24 or 26 inches, but I'm going to leave the specifics for it in the description box, of course. So this is, I want to say this is 26 though. This is 24. This is actually 24, which is crazy because, as you guys can see, like, it is so, it's so long. So yeah, this is a 24 inch. This is HD lace. And yeah, I did bleach the knots on this. I did not pluck it literally at all. Like, I did no plucking to this wig. It's already plucked, already, you know, ready to put on. You don't even have to bleach the knots, but I personally wanted to bleach the knots, so I did. Yeah, as you guys can see, I can literally like run my fingers right through it. No snags, like nothing. I had zero. When I say zero, I mean zero shedding. I didn't have any tangling, anything like that, and that is surprising, being as though this is curly hair. You know, curly hair is so prone to tangles, shedding, stuff like that. I didn't have any of those issues, thank God. Yeah, so for styling, all I did was I just made the part. I had my hot comb. I used a little tiny bit of the wax stick and my hot comb, and I just, you know, combed it over. And my little baby hairs I did right here, all I did was use the Got2b gel, the black one. And as you guys can see, like, once I styled it, I can literally just pick it up and move it. Like, I don't have to keep like redoing the baby hairs or anything like that. It's just the most easy, it's just the most easiest, simplest. Like, you can't freaking beat it. Like, what? It's just so pretty. Like, this is definitely gonna be one of my favorite wigs, one of my go-to wigs, because woo, I just feel like that girl. It makes me feel like that girl. But if you guys did want to, what I will say is, if you guys did want to, you know, glue it or tie it down, all you have to do is use the Got2b spray, or you can use the Even Wonder Lace and just spray it. Lift this up, spray all along here, get you an elastic band like the one that they sent me, and you just tie it down. Literally for probably like a couple minutes. You can use the blow dryer and just blow dry, you know, over top of it, and there you go. Like, you really don't need any like ghost bond or gummy lace glue, like whatever. You don't need any glue for these type of units. These are easily applied and easily taken off. These are more for like my girls who's doing the protective styles, who don't want to compromise their hairline with the frontals, or you know, whatever the case is. Like, this is a very, very beginner friendly wig. I would definitely recommend this if you guys are like new to installing your own wigs and things like that. My camera. But yes, so that is the review for this hair, you guys. Like, look how freaking, like, it's just so pretty. So yeah. I'm going to leave all the information for this wig in the description box. Make sure you guys check them out. Follow me on Instagram at Kdotcouture. Subscribe to my channel. And until next time, you guys, stay positive and be blessed.